bad view at all. Hello, castle. There it is in the distance, and I can see Space Mountain. It smells really good in here. And we've got the hog juice, stitch juice. I started celebrating my birthday. This looks really good. Checking out of the Polynesian now, and we're going to go to Animal Kingdom, and then we're going to go check into Bay Lake Tower. So goodbye to the room at the Polynesian. We liked you. So today I'm wearing these ears, which are actually my Jungle Cruise ears, but they work for Animal Kingdom too because they've got the animal print. And I've got this cute shirt on with the giraffes. And I was so excited when we were at Animal Kingdom last night. I saw that they have the Minnie Mouse Safari Loungefly still, which I did not think that you could still buy that. And I've always wanted it for Animal Kingdom, and also because I thought it was cute because you've got that one for Minnie and then Sorcerer Mickey for Mickey, which we do already have. So I'm gonna buy that today. I'm very excited. Oh, there goes the monorail. We are at Animal Kingdom this morning. It's about 10 something because we had our breakfast at Ohana this morning at the Polynesian. We've just packed and Bell Services are taking our bags over to Bay Lake. So I think today we're going to be here in the morning, ride some rides and do some pin trading and check out the animals, probably do Kilimanjaro again. And then we are going to go to Bay Lake. Depends on when our room's ready, but we've got a reservation for an early dinner at Garden Grill at Epcot. So we'll be going to Epcot for the first time. At Garden Grill, it's character dining, so Mickey's there and so are Chippendale. So I've got a Chippendale lanyard going on today and my Chippendale phone case. So I'm looking forward to seeing those guys. So psyched to see these in stock. I'm gonna get one.
They're gonna slide down the thing?
Listen to them!
They never slide down.
Oh wow. They are so precious. Oh yeah, it's a lot busier than it was yesterday afternoon. Now this looks a bit more normal.
It seems more like it.
Horns on their head. And they'll probably have a long
Me and Minnie going
pencil
for a
tongue that
safari.
they use to considered a keystone species, which means they can help shape their environment. During times of drought, they can use their tusks to dig up dry riverbeds. On the left side, you'll see the white rhinoceros.
There's a baby. Oh my
An adult
god.
can weigh up to 5,000 pounds.
Oh my god, look at the baby.
Over to your left side, up on the hill, right behind the rocks, you'll see the cheetah.
Oh wow.
Get the zoomies.
I know, right?
They are the fastest land mammal.
Like it's clean.
One egg can weigh about 3 pounds, which is roughly equal to 2 dozen chicken eggs.
Are you itchy? Really good safari. We saw babies.
What you can learn more about from the villagers of Harambe after leaving the safari.
So that was good fun. We're going to go to Rafiki's Planet Watch. Are we going to do the drawing?
Maybe. We'll see what time it is.
Do the animation thing? Oh, here's the train. Perfect timing. Oh my god, it's big.
Here at Disney's
Hey! Oh my god! It was so cute! It's so cute! I cannot cope! We were here the very first day they reopened this, and we drew Ed the hyena. And that was fun.
Fact number 4, we help save eels. The Disney Conservation Fund supports programs that preserve oceans, fresh waterways, and even partners with other organizations to help eel populations directly. And you can show your appreciation for eels by visiting them at the Seas with Nemo and Friends at Epcot. I have a feeling you're going to be charmed.
I'm going to come around, get the outside done first, and then we can kind of get those details inside. So right before this little groove right here, you're going to...
So here's my flotsam and jetsam. Oh no, that's Scott's one. And this, oh, mine's upside down. Upside down, upside down. And this one's my one. I think we did pretty well actually. At the animation station, animation experience. I definitely thought that they were going to look rubbish. But they turned out pretty good. We're going to go pat some animals now. Yay! Oh, hey, Piggy. Hello. Oh, you are so lovely. Is that a good scratch? Oh, yes. It's got such pretty eyelashes. Oh, go and have a lay down. So
Can
cute.
you go loaf?
Loafing.
You doing Cusco?
So cute. Oh, that, are you having a problem? Oh my goodness. Oh dear, oh dear. Oh no, oh no. There you go, you did it.
They're doing an animal show.
Oh cool, let's go. Bye animals.
To make themselves look bigger. Usually when predators want to go up to them, like large cats, maybe your snakes, also monkeys, they will usually free.
They can't eat the whole thing, so they'll go and hide things in different places. So they'll dig, they'll bury it, and that's what he's.
We're heading out now. We're going to go to Bay Lake and check in. Well, we hope. We'll let them know we're there. I don't think our room will be ready because it's only 2-ish. So we're going to Bay Lake now. I'm so glad that we're going to be there for 4 nights, so we'll be able to get organised. And then we're going to go to Epcot. And I think we might have a few drinks in the World Showcase today.
Not too many if you're going to be driving.
Driving? Oh, the ECB. I thought, what? I can't drive. You're only on the car insurance. My birthday isn't till 2 days.
Thursday, yeah.
Thursday, but because that day is the day before the 50th, we didn't want to do like full celebrations for my birthday on my actual birthday because we wouldn't really be able to drink much because we have to be up at stupid o'clock on Friday for the 50th, so we don't want to be hungover or up late if we can avoid it. So today is my sort of, well, I thought today we'd do a bit of birthday celebrations at Epcot. I'm looking forward to getting to Epcot for the first time and having some drinky poos. And it's damn hot right now. We're driving to our second home resort. Are you excited to stay at Bay Lake?
Yeah.
Me too. Literally right there, and there's the castle, and there's Astro Orbiter. Great there. What the? Look how close space is. This is just the back of it. So, I can't remember if I mentioned this, but we weren't going to be here at Bay Lake. In fact, we were booked to go on one of the UK Disney Magic staycations this weekend because even though this is our home resort, we weren't able to get a reservation on our 11-month date. It was just sold out because it's the 50th and it's going to be like you know, probably one of the biggest events in Magic Kingdom history. So we waitlisted it, and then in June the waitlist came through. So we were just like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. We cancelled the cruise and we've come here for this. The reason why we wanted to stay at Bay Lake is because it's in walking distance to Magic Kingdom. So it's our first time staying here, but it's really exciting. Room's ready and we're all checked in. How fabulous! Such a nice size. Oh, look at the view. Nice. That's nice. Oh look, there's all workers on the balconies at the Contemporary.
Alright, so we got that's what the pixie dust pin's for, because they're doing renovations.
What do you mean?
There's things that are closed off, and they're doing renovations, so... Oh wow.
So what?
Yeah.
Yeah, look at them all. Wonder what they're doing.
Madly scrambling to finish everything off and pull the string down before Friday.
Oh, really? Huh. Nice view. There's a little beach there. The marina. There's a pool over there.
Yeah, it's one of the Contemporary pools. Very good.
This is nice. Let's have a look at the room. So, we've got lounge bed, Mickey's on the wall. Look at that Mickey in a spaceship on the wall.
Cool.
I like this table. And then, what else have we got? Kitchen. Oh yeah, I love these tiles. I think these are really cool, very retro. Decent kitchenette. Nice stone. This is nice. Kitchen. And then just a little bench area. Fridge. Ooh, pantry. Larder. That's good. It's good, good, good.
Bigger kitchen than in Holly.
Yeah, it's a pretty big kitchen. Cupboard. Cupboard's a cupboard, but only one bathroom in this one, so, and it's a smaller bathroom, definitely. So we've just gotten changed. We've gotten our room at the Contemporary at Bay Lake, and we're just about to go to Epcot. I've got my new Loungefly 50th backpack, and I've got my new Alice in Wonderland Disney Bound on, and my birthday badge, and we're out of here. Good salad. We're just rotating through the land, and that's the Living with the Land ride down there, which is cool. And they said that the food is, a lot of it's grown in the land pavilion here at Epcot for the food at this meal. Hello, Chip.
Hi, Jim.
Oh, she's gorgeous.
How are you?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
See you.
And if you sure Minnie, because the doggy treat is all true. We get in the most trouble at home.
So we got mashed green beans, turkey, stuffing, corn, peas, beef and chimichurri, and mac cheese with goldfish. And it's delicious. This is our second skillet. Oh, and also these yummy bread rolls. Real good. That's Living with the Land, so you can see the boats down there. So this is one of the scenes, one of the rooms in Living with the Land, and it's a house. It's really cool. It looks really quite realistic.
Do you remember this lady? Collections was all about you.
I got all the pins.
And Dale too.
But I made sure to have an equal amount of you and Dale.
Oh my
because I didn't think it was fair. I didn't think it would be fair. Yeah, I know, you wanted to have all and him on none. But I didn't want to cause a fight. I know, I would have been yeah, I know.
She's a peace bringing,
I know.
peace made.
I didn't want there to be a scene, you know, while we're
And loving conditions. Oh, I see. She's a baby.
Cry baby.
Oh, she will lullaby. I mean, if she speaks like that to your buddy, Dale, I mean, Dale will be very happy.
Wait, one more time.
Oh, I see, yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Dale, good to see you again. Can we get a photo?
Princess, I mean, she's taken, as far as I'm just making hypothesis of that consideration. She is so charmingly beauty and knowing Disney. Hey, Pluto.
Hi. I'll just take a photo of you, Pluto.
Oh, yeah. Playing hide and seek.
You're hiding.
One, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Princess Katie. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Happy
Well
birthday,
done.
lady.
Look at that. Dessert. I got a candle. Look, there's the Rose and Crown, which is the pub up the road from our house in Cookfield. So that's funny. Yes, I'm here on my ECV with my new passholder mug. Turvis insulated thingy which has a margarita in it. I got the ECV today because my arthritis is playing up really badly. And my knee has been knocking, so every time I bend my knee it like goes click clonk and it locks. So it's been really painful, so I thought we've got a couple of really big days ahead, so I thought it was good today to try and conserve my energy, and the World Showcase is big, so we're going to be here till close because it's the last night of Epcot Forever fireworks show, so we're going to stay and watch that. So we're just going to make our way around the World Showcase and then watch the fireworks. So, yeah, cheers and celebrating my birthday. Yeah. We've made it into France. There's my sweet ride in the background.
That's something.
It's nice back here. It's real nice. Just having a beer. We just had a beer flight. I actually liked the strawberry and lime beer, so Scott's gave me a full-size one. I've got my Alice in Wonderland Disney bound on, which I'll insert a picture because it's dark now. But I'm also wearing my Alice in Wonderland Curious mouse ears. So they've got the key, and there's I think 5 different style keys that you can pick on the website if you wanted to check out Kitty and Katie ears. These are £16 a pair, so I'm very glad to be wearing my Alice in Wonderland Disney bound. Celebrating my birthday, drinking. We're not drinking the whole way around the world, but we're just having a few drinks, and then we're gonna find a spot for watching Epcot Forever soon because it's in an hour and there's a lot of people around. It's also our first time at Epcot for a festival, so Food and Wine's on, and it's really cool. There's like lots going on, there's lots of people, so it's just different. There's just more to do. Here's my ECV, which as I said, my arthritis is really bad, so decided to finally give it a try. In terms of pricing, it cost $70 for the day and you get 20 back, so it's actually $50. Here comes Scott with the beers. Oh, they look like they're full. It's a bit hard to see, but this is the cool cup that I just got with Figment, and it says pass holder, and it's for Food and Wine, and it's insulated and giant. So I'm going to put my drinks in there.
Experimental, prototype, community of tomorrow.
So we just watched Epcot Forever for the first time, and it was the last time. I feel like that was weird.
That's weird.
That was a weird thing that our first time seeing it was the last time it's ever been shown.
Yeah.
But it was awesome. I really enjoyed it.
Well, it is a temporary show, and
we were worried when they announced it, and then we were going to see it in May last year, but then we were delayed, and we just thought, oh, we're going to miss it because it looked really good. Like I much preferred that to the one with the ball in the middle.
yeah, when the 50th celebration was going to start in October last year before the pandemic, so Epcot Forever would have ended in July or August last year, so we booked that trip in
December 2019
to come for May specifically to see Epcot Forever.
Crazy. And then now it's September 2021 and we finally saw it.
Well, we're seeing both it and Harmonious in the same visit, which is very strange because we were wanting to see it before Harmonious.
So anyway, we saw Epcot Forever for the first time. I liked it a lot. I'm not a fireworks person, but I liked that it had the clips, like the historic clips, and it was all like Epcot-y things. And when like you could hear Walt talking at the start, I got a bit emotional.
Yeah. How many of did you know many of the songs from it?
I knew them, but I think mostly from just Epcot fanning. And like, because I only came to Epcot for the first time in 2019. So I never saw any of that. Like, I know it's just from knowing the history of Epcot, but I didn't live it myself. just come to the lobby at the Contemporary, which is just reopened, and it's all new and fancy, but check out this new coffee shop, Contemporary Grounds. So it's a Joffrey's. I don't even know if this is open yet. It's literally brand new. Like, I don't know if, I do not know if this is opened yet. So that's cool. Yeah, lots of contemporary art. That's cool. Steakhouse 71 on October 1, so we're going there for lunch on the day it opens. That's cool. Oh, this is nice. It's like a little tribute to Mary Blair. That's lovely. How nice. Wow, this lobby is so nice. Look at that mural. That is just so nice. So did this just open?
Yeah, a few days ago.
That's really cool.
There are 2 hidden Mickeys behind that couch. You can kind of see the one poking out, but if you peek your head behind it, there's another one.
I'll go have a look. Oh yeah, I see one. Oh, that's cute. Oh yeah, that one's really obvious, but it's definitely hidden.
It's cool how they've done the USB charging for people who are waiting for their rooms.
It's 11 o'clock. But I thought while there was nobody around, I might show you the Contemporary hotel. So this is one of the big tile mosaics by Mary Blair that go all the way up, and there goes the monorail. So yeah, the cool thing about this hotel is that the monorail goes right through the middle, and that's the station just up there. So our hotel room is not far from here. It's just across a little bridge, like, I don't know, a couple 100 meters from the monorail station that takes you straight to Magic Kingdom and Epcot, so that's really cool. And yeah, this is one of the other sides of the big mural. It's mosaic, as I said. This one's massive, it goes all the way up.
Hey everybody, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you really enjoyed it. We had an awesome time at Animal Kingdom and Epcot, especially watching Epcot Forever for the first and last time. Let me know in the comments down below if you managed to see Epcot Forever whilst it was showing and what you thought of it. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. It really helps me grow my channel, and also consider subscribing so that you never miss a video. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!